Data is everywhere, and data determines everything. In today's digital age, big companies are on the hunt for skilled professionals to unlock the secrets hidden within their vast pools of data. But here's the catch. While the demand for data analysts is soaring, the supply of qualified individuals is falling short. This shortage has created a high demand for talented data analysts, making it the perfect time to dive into this dynamic field. Yeah, everyone knows that data analyst is the buzzword these days, but how can I become a data analyst? What is the roadmap? Well, welcome to Robust IT, where your career aspirations meet limitless possibilities. As a Microsoft Gold Partner and Pearson VUE Testing Center, we're not just about courses. We're about catapulting you into a future of unparalleled success in the tech industry. Are you ready to unlock your potential and soar to new heights? With our array of cutting-edge courses, you'll gain the skills and expertise needed to thrive in today's digital landscape. But here's the game changer. We don't just stop at education. At Robust IT, we're invested in your future. Our dedicated career support team will guide you every step of the way, from polishing your resume to acing that crucial interview. And why is working as a data analyst so incredible? Because it's not just a job, it's a gateway to a multitude of opportunities. You could find yourself immersed in business intelligence data, visualization, predictive analytics, market research, healthcare analytics, financial analysis, and much more. Plus, with flexible payment plans starting from 0% APR, your journey to success has never been more accessible. And let's not forget the rewards. Data analysts in the UK earn an average salary of £56,000 per annum. With free phone support and access to live training classrooms and labs, you'll have the resources you need to excel in your studies and beyond. And remember, as AI continues to revolutionize industries, it all starts with data. At Robust IT, you'll stay at the forefront of innovation, growing alongside the latest technologies and shaping the future of AI-driven solutions. Don't just dream about success, seize it with Robust IT. Join us today and embark on a journey that will shape not only your career, but the future of technology.